Most pregnant women believe the safest place is their bed, and that belief feels comforting. But what if I told you one tiny sleeping habit could quietly put your baby's life at risk? No pain, no warning, no sound. Doctors have a name for this. They call it the silent danger of the third trimester. Here's what's happening inside your body. Behind your uterus runs a massive vein called the inferior vena cava. Its only job is to carry blood back to your heart and oxygen straight to your baby's placenta. After 20 weeks of pregnancy, when you lie flat on your back, the weight of your growing belly can press directly on this vein. And when that pressure happens, blood flow slows, your heart receives less blood, and your baby receives less oxygen. This isn't a theory, this isn't internet fear. A study published in the Journal of Physiology found that back sleeping and late pregnancy is linked to a significantly higher risk of stillbirth. Doctors have even observed something chilling. A baby's heart rate can drop while the mother is simply sleeping on her back. So what's the safest way to sleep? Doctors recommend sleeping on your left side. It reduces pressure on major blood vessels, improves circulation, and delivers maximum oxygen to your baby. Here's a simple trick that actually works. Place one pillow between your knees and another behind your back, so your body doesn't roll over during the night. You've already protected your baby in 1,000 ways. Don't let a simple sleeping position undo all of it. If this video protects even one mother, one child, then it's worth sharing. Like this video, subscribe for trusted pregnancy knowledge, and send this to every expecting mom you care about.